Hey there, welcome to today's broadcast of Bitcoin News Today, and today I've got a special story for you about a website called Bitcoin Profit that I know a lot of you are searching for. So this video is a review of Bitcoin Profit. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm on the Bitcoin Profit website. It claims that you can earn millions from Bitcoin even when crypto markets are crashing. So on the video, there's no sound on here, but let's have a look at this. Everyone who has invested in Bitcoin has made millions, they say. Now, that is an outright lie to begin with. Everyone who has invested in Bitcoin in recent years has made millions. Well, we know that that is not true. If you know anybody that's recently invested in Bitcoin, you know that the price has been dropping. We can see that on the graph of the Bitcoin price. So, say for example, this was on the 1st of January. The price was up here at $14,000 and now we're down at $8,000. So if you had invested recently, as the video said, then you would have made a loss if you didn't take your profits at the peak. So that is wrong for a start. Let us watch a little bit further. I'm just going to fast forward. Okay, so now we've got some people with testimonials. Let's just have a look at these people. Remember this guy here. And now I'll show you that this guy is on a website called Fiverr, where he says he will be your video spokesperson for as little as $10. So you see, these people are not real people in the video, they are paid actors, and it's very apparent from their poor acting skills. So this guy, he claims to be somebody called John Mayers, and he says that if you invest $250, then you're going to get the system for free. But what is the system? Now, it's simply some software that a lot of the scam exchanges use, and it looks like this. So each one has their own logo on there, but the website itself looks the same throughout all of these different scams. There's one called Pattern Trader, another scam. There's CryptoSoft, Way to Freedom. They are all built around the same scam. Now, the way that this works, is that this guy is not the guy behind the website. So don't believe that for 1 second. What they want you to do is to give them your email address first of all. So you're going to be spammed. I can't see any privacy policy on there. So who knows what happened to your email address. And the other thing is that what they will then get you to do is to sign up to a dodgy Bitcoin exchange, one of the most unusual ones, but one that is going to pay them a high commission. So all this is to do is to get you to sign up with one of their preferred exchanges, so that then they can get your commission. And obviously they can't guarantee that you're going to make daily profits with Bitcoin. It's simply not possible. So don't believe that scam. It's the same as all the other scams that we've seen. There's nothing different about this Bitcoin Profit website. I do have some good news for you though, because if you would like to make some genuine profit from Bitcoin, then you can do so. So what I would suggest you do is, first of all, subscribe to my channel, because I make videos when I can alert you that the price is low. For example, recently we had a really low price. Bitcoin really hit the bottom of the market, and the price went down to as low as $6,600. So if you had bought then when I recommended, let's measure how much you could have made. To today's price, you could have made a 25% profit. So pretty good profit margin and low risk as well. Now, the exchange that I recommend is called Coinbase, and please click the link in the video description so that you can get $10 free credit just for starting your account. And it's one of the most regulated exchanges. They've recently applied for a banking license, so it's a very trusted exchange, and they sell the top cryptocurrencies on there. So they buy and sell. You can buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. So they are the top 4 out of all of the cryptocurrencies. So you can buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. So things that you're going to be looking for, just very briefly, are that first of all, obviously the price is low and the price is below the moving average. Now, I use 4 moving averages in my analysis in all of my videos, and whenever I'm looking to buy, I'm looking for the colours of these moving averages to be blue, green, yellow, red. And I'll put a link to my chart in the video description so that you can check these things for yourself. Now, you also want a low MACD. Now, this is based on a divergence between moving averages. It's very complicated, but suffice it to say, you want a very low number. So when this is also very low, it's another indicator that it is a good time to buy. And you want to see a low RSI, which is the relative strength index as well. So here we got all 3. Now, sometimes it trails afterwards, so these are indicators only, but you saw that we got a really good low price. All of the indicators pointed to that we should be buying around this time, and then we have seen briefly an opportunity to sell. Not the perfect opportunity. I'm still expecting that the price will go higher. So let's just check. I usually use the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that the price, let's just check, zoom out. So here's what we were looking for, where the prices were really low and the colours were correct there, and it did go up, and there was an opportunity to sell there. But now what we've seen most recently, if you're watching this video today, it's the 21st of May 2018, prices have been heading down recently, but it does look like they are starting to go up. Now we've got to wait and see at this precise moment, so wouldn't recommend that you buy just yet, but set up your account on Coinbase, click the link in the video description, load it with some funds, and then you'll be ready to buy when the time is right. You don't have to buy right now, just load it with some funds and then check my videos. There's loads of people online on YouTube that make good videos about buying and selling Bitcoin. Chart Guys is one that I watch. There are some others as well, but I would really stick with Chart Guys because his technical analysis tends to be spot on. But what I offer really on my videos is more of when to buy and when to sell, and I will make alert videos. So make sure you've subscribed and you've ticked the bell so that you get notifications. That way you will get my latest videos when I do see opportunities in the market to buy and sell. So I wish you the best with your trading. Do steer clear of those scams. There are many scams out there because people are just taking advantage of the fact that Bitcoin is very complicated, and people can easily fall into traps of thinking something is genuine when in fact it's not. So always do your own research, do your due diligence, and never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you do find this useful, and I shall see you again in another video very soon. Until then, bye for now.